Hey guys, so today we have 5 more example solves. This time we'll be doing them one-handed. So this first scramble is actually pretty easy. We see we have both pairs solved on the red-yellow block. So I notice if I hold it from this angle and do F wide 2, that brings both pairs to the top, which is good, and then solves the DL edge. And then I'm going to do U prime R wide, U wide prime, solving the center and setting up both pairs to a one move insert. And I was tracking this, so I know after I do the B prime, this is solved. And here I start looking around, okay, so I see this edge pairs up with this corner. So we bring it up, pair those up pretty easily, and then these two. Here I know I'm getting a soon case, it's the these two match, so it's F R prime F prime, just like that. And this is a pretty easy EOLR, so we see these two. So I just want to flip this and keep this right here. So M, U prime, M prime, and now we have that there, that there. Now you just set them up to the bottom, like that, and then it's the column case. Alright, so the second scramble is pretty easy again. We see we have both pairs almost solved on blue-white. This one's a one mover. So if I just do a D move, that solves the DR edge, like this to here. And then this pair will be here, so then I can do R wide prime B to solve it. But before I do that, I'm going to do a U, so I pair this up. Then these two will just be here, so F R wide prime F. And then DR edge is there, so it's just going to be here. Pretty straightforward. DR edge I remember was there, but now it's on top. I see this pair, so I'm going to do that first. R wide 2 to get the edge orange on the back. Pair those up. I ended up with this bad pair, but I'll solve it with M moves like that. And then this case, I know I'm getting at an easy EOLR because this is a COLL. Like that. And that's actually good because now it ended up on the left side, so I can do all U primes. I saw this was orange, so I know I have to do M prime. Here's the third scramble. I see we have this pair on red-yellow, and then whenever you see something like this, where the edge is on right and it matches this color, you can do U wide prime, R2 U wide, because that'll bring the center here, edge there, and then pair it up and then bring it back, making a sort of line right here. And I see the other pieces are this one and this one. So after the U wide prime, this green edge is going to be here. R2 is going to be red here. And when this is red here, green's going to be here. So red, green. So these are going to be a one move pair when I bring them back. And I can just do R wide back prime. And then this is going to go U wide prime, R2 U. R wide back prime is going to be back here. So let's do that now. U wide prime, R2 U wide. And I saw that that was back there. Now I see this pair right here. So while I'm bringing this down, I set up the corner to pair up with that, solve that in the back, and now we got this easy 2-gen pair, orient centers, and we got this anti-soon case that's RUD. Oh, messed that up there. Like that. And this is a EOLR case. We have these two, and then this with this. So I know if I do M2, I just have the 4 flip case that we had from before. Easy. And then green, and I can sort of see, oh whoops, I messed that up. Never mind. And then here I know I'm going to get dots, so I'll do this. Fourth scramble, we're doing orange yellow. We see this is solved, and then this corner, if you do an F prime, it'll set up to the front to make like a line case. And then we see this edge and this pair right here. So if I do R prime, these are going to pair up. So then what I'm going to do is R prime F prime, which is going to bring this here. This pair is going to be like this, and then this DR edge, DL edge, I'm going to do R wide 2. It's going to be paired up here. So now we have this line, and this pair. So then I just do D prime F, R wide prime F. So I'll do that now. And I kept an eye on this, so I know it's there. Now we have this pair. So I just do an M prime, and now they're easy. And when I was doing that M prime, I saw that edge was blue. So I know that I'm going to end this with an R wide prime so that it sets up to this 3-move pair. Like that. And easy RUD. And while doing that, I saw this was going to pair up. So easy, and then blue, blue, so it's M prime. Here's the fifth scramble. We have this orange, orange-yellow sort of line, and we have this edge that can pair up with that, like this. So I'm going to do R wide 2, just R2 U wide prime. The other pieces are this one and this one. This is going to come here and be orange, and then orange is going to be here, so that means this is just going to do a flip. So it's going to be green, orange, and then this is just going to be here, so I can do R prime U R to pair them, and then they'll just be here, and then R wide prime F. From all that, I know this is just going to come here and then be yellow on top, which is good. And then I'll keep track of this pair because it's also one move. So here we go, R2 pairs that in the back, U wide prime, and now we can do this. Now I kept track of this, so I know if I do R wide prime while inserting this, I can get this to be blue on the back. And now I have this pair, and then these two. And I'm getting this case. Here, this is going to pair up with this after I do the arrow, and then I just do U2, M prime, U2, M. Like that. Blue, green is M2. Thanks for watching.